Hi everyone, I'm really excited to be here. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to draw a cylinder. Here's why we want to learn how to draw a cylinder. It's just really great practice to learn how to look at an object and learn how to draw it. So for example, with this little tuna can, we are seeing the darks over here and the light is coming in here and a few highlights on the top. So we can work on seeing an object and actually drawing what we are seeing. And cylinders also translate into other objects that we want to learn how to draw too, such as trees or legs and arms or furniture. The list is really endless. So go ahead and draw with me. I'm going to start by drawing the top of my cylinder. It's just going to be a big flat oval, and then draw straight lines down from the edge of that. Use my whole arm to get that straight line as opposed to kind of wiggling my wrist around. And then I can adjust it if I need to and straighten it up. Now the bottom is going to mimic that line right there also. So I'm going to go ahead and draw in the bottom. This happens to be an oatmeal container that I'm drawing, so it has a lid. I'm going to just go ahead and draw that edge of the lid. So eat your oatmeal and then you can draw it too. It's a lot of fun and it's nutritious. So I'm going to turn this on the side and hold my pencil also on the side, and that way, and push down from the top. That way I can cover a lot of shading all at one time really quickly. So just going to shade it in. My darks are on this side and my light is coming in from this side. So I'm even going to leave a white strip on that side. I can take my time with this and really get a nice transition from the darks over to the lights. And then I can go back and even darken up this area that I want darker, and again transition out. And shading this side of the lid as well. That is the basic shading. Now under the edge of this lid, there is a little bit of a shadow. And the rim up here at the top runs around there like that. Now, because my light is hitting it this direction, I know that the light is going to be hitting also in this area, which means this area is going to be in shadow. And then transition that shadow out as well. A little bit of shadow hitting it right there. And a shadow on the rim. And now I don't want my cylinder just sitting out here in space floating around, so I'm going to add in a horizon line and maybe just a little hint of a background. I have some fabric behind it, so just the folds of that fabric. Just a little bit of quick shading. And now this cylinder is also casting a shadow. It's going to go out like that. kind of a nice soft shadow, and then just a hint of a shadow where that can is actually meeting the table. And that's it. That's how to draw a basic cylinder. Thanks. Bye-bye.